Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 8th class maths, exponents and powers, exercise 4.2. Two sums I have already done. Third one I am doing. Express the following in standard form. That is the problem. So the first one is the size of the bacteria is 0.000004 meters. You have to write it in standard form. So how will you write it in standard form? First let us take 0 point. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. So you have to write it in the form of 4 by in this form. Means because you have got after decimal so many digits. So 4 divided by after 1, how many zeros will keep it? After decimal, how many digits are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there, but one more digit 4 is there. So 6 plus 1, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 4 by 10 to the power of 7 you are getting. That means what? 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meters. So I hope I am clear children, because you have to count how many digits are there. After decimal, the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to keep 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. That means what? 10 to the power of 7. This, when it goes to the numerator, power will be, the sign of the power will be changed. Similarly, the size of the red blood cell is equal to 0 point. So its answer is 0 point. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 7. That means 7 by after 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to include this also 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 7 by 10 to the power of 6. That means 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6 mm is the answer for this problem. Now, third bit. What is the third bit? Speed of the light is 3. After 3, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This many meters per second. So after 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros are there. That means here there is no decimal. So 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second is the answer for it, because here we are dividing because of the decimal, here we are multiplying because there is no decimal. Now distance between moon and earth is 38467, that and after that you have got 3 zeros. So what is the answer that you will be writing? The problem is 384667000 meters. So you write the numbers first. That is, let us write this as 3,84,667. 384,667 into, we'll write 1000. After 3 zeros are there now, so after 1 we'll keep 3 zeros. That means how much you are getting? 384,667 into 10 cube meters. 10 cube meters is the answer, children. Please copy this. Now, the next part, fifth question. The charge of an electron is this much big number they have given. So let us see how many zeros are there after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 zeros are there. After that 1 and 6. So problem is 0 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 1, 6. Okay, this is given. This is nothing but 16 by after 1, 18 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That means 16 by 10 to the power of 18, so 18 zeros, and also 1 6 is there. 19, 20, two more zeros also you have to add. 18 plus 2 more zeros for 1 6. That means 10 to the power of 20. That means 16 into 10 to the power of minus 20 coulombs. You can even write it as, children, if you keep 1.6, a decimal here, standard form can also be written like this: 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 20 into 10. Why? Because I have kept a decimal here. There was no decimal, but I have kept a decimal. So this becomes how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 20 plus 1. When bases are same and multiplied, power should be added. This becomes 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. This will be 19 coulombs. So either this or this you can write as answer. Now sixth bit. Sixth bit is thickness of a piece of paper. So how much? 0.120016 centimeters. That means 16 by, after 1 how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4 zeros. That is 16 by 10 to the power of 4. That means we have got 16 into 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeters. So even this, if you want to write like this, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into 10, because I kept a point here. So this becomes 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 plus 1, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 centimeters. So you can consider either this or this. Anyone can be considered as the answer, children. Next, the diameter of a chip is, what is the diameter of a chip? 0.12345 zeros. 0.12345 zeros and 5. This is nothing but 5 by, after 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this number, instead of that also we need to keep 0. That is 5 by 10 to the power of 6. That means 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 centimeters. This is the answer, children. So 7 bits are there in it. Please copy this. With this, third problem is completed. Now we'll see fourth bit. Fourth problem. In a pack, it continues like this. Let me read the problem for you. In a pack, there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm, and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of the pack? So, you have got thickness of book, 5 books. So, book thickness, thickness of one book. Thickness of one book is equal to how much they said? 20 mm. So we need thickness of 5 books is equal to 20 into 5. That is 100 mm is the thickness of 5 books. Next, they have given 5 paper sheets. Thickness of paper sheet. Thickness of one paper sheet. We have to write one paper sheet. Thickness of one paper sheet is equal to 0.016 mm. 0.016 mm is the thickness of one paper sheet. So you need to find out the thickness of 5 paper sheets is equal to 0.016 into 5. So how much you will be getting? 16 5s are 80 and 10.0 mm, 0.0 mm, 0.080 mm. That means you can even write it 0.08 mm. This 0 has no value because it is in the last. So we need to find out total thickness. Total thickness is 100 mm plus 0.08 mm. So totally 100.08 mm. 100.08 mm is the total thickness of this. This is the answer, children. You please copy it. Did they ask to write it in the what is the total thickness? They have asked. That's all. They have not asked in standard form. But if you want to find it in standard form, in case if they ask you to write the answer in standard form, 100.08 can be written as 10008 by 100. That means 10008 by 10 square, that is 10008 into 10 to the power of minus 2. This can also be written as 1.0008 into this is minus 2. 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of how many digits before you have kept? 10 to the power of 4. 4 digits because 1, 2, 3, 4. That means how much you are getting? 1.0008 into 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 4 can be written as 1.0008 into 10 to the power of 2 mm. So you have converted this into standard form. Okay, so I hope I am clear. 100.08 can be written as after 1, 3 zeros and 8 by, after decimal 2 digits are there, I kept 2 digits. So that means 10008 by 10 square you will be getting. So this 10 square, when it goes to the numerator, 1008008 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Now in standard form, we have to keep a decimal after the first digit. This is 1. So 1.1234 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of 4 I wrote. Why did I write 4? Because before 4 digits I have kept the decimal. So 10 to the power of 4. So 1.0008 into 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 4. When bases are same and multiplied, power should be added. Minus 2 plus 4. That means 1.0008 into 10 to the power of 2. Minus 2 plus 4 is 2. 2 mm. This is the answer, children. This is fourth problem. Please copy it. Now we will see the fifth one. Fifth one, Rakesh solved some problems. It goes on like this. Let me read. Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Do you agree with the solutions? If not, justify your argument. Means they have given the solutions of some problems. Are they correct or not? If you agree, you say yes. Otherwise, no. So let us see one by one. So the first bit is x to the power of minus 3 into x to the power of minus 2 is equal to x to the power of minus 6. So let me take LHS. X to the power of minus 3 into x to the power of minus 2. Bases are same and multiplied. So power should be added. X to the power of minus 3 plus of minus 2. That means x to the power of minus 3 plus into minus minus 2. So how much I am getting? X to the power of minus 5. But what is RHS? RHS is x to the power of minus 6. So we will be saying that LHS is not equal to RHS. So what is the question? Do you agree with it or not? We will say that I don't agree. We will say I don't agree because LHS is not equal to RHS. Now let us see the second bit. X cube by x square. X cube by x square is equal to x to the power of 4. So let us take LHS. X cube by x square. X cube by x square, bases are same and divided. Power should be subtracted. X cube minus 2 you will be getting. Bases are same and divided, power should be subtracted. Bases are same and multiplied, power should be added. So how much I am getting? 3 minus 2, x. But what is RHS? RHS is x to the power of 4. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, I don't agree. So write down these two bits. Remaining I will be doing. Now, third bit. What is the third bit? X square whole cube is equal to x to the power of 2 to the power of 3. That is equal to x to the power of 8. This is what is given. So we have to consider LHS and RHS. We consider LHS as this and RHS as this. So LHS x square whole cube. When there is a base with the power x to the power of m whole to the power of n is x to the power of mn. Multiply 2 into 3, x to the power of 6. But what is RHS? X to the power of 8. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So I don't agree. This cannot be, it is not correct. This is third bit. Now, fourth bit. X to the power of minus 2 is equal to root of x. So, let me write LHS. X to the power of minus 2. When power is minus, I should write it as 1 by x square so that I can make power as positive. Now RHS root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. Square root means x to the power of 1 by 2. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, I don't agree. This is not a correct answer. So this is fourth one, children. Now we'll go to the fifth bit. Fifth bit, 3x to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3x. So LHS 3x to the power of minus 1. See, there is no bracket here. Power is only for x. That means 3 divided by x we will write. Why? Because the power of x is minus 1. So it will go to the denominator. If it is in the denominator, it goes to the numerator. That means what? You have to write the reciprocal. So I have written reciprocal of x, that is 3 by x. Now what is RHS they have given? 1 by 3x. 3 by x is not equal to 1 by 3x. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, I don't agree. So this is not possible, children. Please copy it. With this, I am concluding my topic. Remaining, I will do it in the next class.